Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty of Language. So today in this video we will master formal letter writing for ICSE Class 10th. Since many of you requested for it in the comment section, so the video is finally here. A reminder that if you are new to the channel, then please do subscribe it, and all the videos on the English Literature ICSE Class 10 syllabus have been uploaded on my channel. Please do check it after finishing this. Okay, so you must be knowing that in your board exam you get a choice between formal letter and informal letter. So this video is focused only on the formal letter, okay, and the video on informal letter is already out. Do check it out after you finish this. So letter writing, it carries 10 marks, and ICSE clearly it expects you to finish it in about 20 minutes. You are given the instruction that don't spend more than 20 minutes on this question. Okay, so here's the smart plan that take 15 minutes to write the full letter. Okay, and keep the rest 5 minutes to check the whole formats. What happens is that most of the students, they don't lose marks for ideas, they lose marks for small format mistakes. So let's learn the exact format, the marking scheme, and the common errors that you need to avoid in the exam, and a quick checklist that you can use in the exam so that you can score full marks. So first of all, we will begin with the marking scheme, because once you know where the marks are, you will write smarter. Okay. So in ICSE Class 10th, a formal letter is of 10 marks. The format, it carries 3 marks. The content is for 2 marks. And the expression, it carries 5 marks. Now, what does that mean? See, format is the layout, okay? Like address, date, salutation, closing, everything in the right place. Content is what you say, the points the question asks for, and also the relevant details. Now, expression is how you write, the correct tone, clear language, correct grammar, correct spelling, punctuation, and neat paragraphing. I'm going to start with the format step by step. Okay, so first rule, always start your letter on a fresh page. Don't continue it from the essay page even if there is space left. Okay, you don't have to become eco-friendly in the exam to save paper. Okay, so in the board exam, what matters is the neat presentation. Keep the entire letter left aligned. Okay, everything should start from the left margin. No shifting lines to the centers, everything in a straight line. And yes, many students, they get confused about where to leave lines, where to start new paragraphs. So remember the simple rule, leave a blank line after every major part. Address, leave a line. Date, leave a line. Receiver's address, leave a line. Salutation, leave a line. Each paragraph in the body and the subscription. Okay. So what will happen is that in this way your letter will look tidy, and also your paragraphs, they will be clearly separated. Next is, do not make the mistake of writing the subject in a formal letter. Okay, because earlier during our time subject was compulsory, but now ICSE has removed the rule of writing the subject in the formal letter. Now I'll tell you the exact layout step by step, starting with the sender's address. Okay, always keep in mind, write only 3 lines. You don't have to write the whole address of your entire colony. No, only 3 lines, and also punctuation matters. Okay, as I'm saying this thing from the beginning itself, first line ends with comma, second line comma, third line full stop. Okay, just keep in mind, comma, comma, full stop, comma, comma, full stop. That's it. And then leave a line. Always remember, both the address, your address and the receiver's address should be of 3 lines, and also it will have the same punctuation pattern, and that is comma, comma, full stop. Okay. Moving on to the date. So see, date is again, it's only 1 line, but it is very important because many students make very silly mistakes in writing the date. First of all, there will be no punctuation in the date. Second, the name of the month should be written in full. Not writing Feb, F-E-B, no. The spelling of the month should be written correctly. Many students still make mistakes in writing the correct spelling of February. So please make sure you write the correct spelling. First letter of the month, always in capital. The date which you are going to write there in the letter should be the date of the examination. That is 17th February 2026. No short forms of months. Okay, and the TH, ST, ND we write over the numbers. Okay, it should be written in the same line, not superscript, not at the top of the numbers. Okay, in the same line. So after writing the date, leave the line. Now we'll come to the third part of the format, and that is receiver's designation and address. Now see, this is huge scoring point for you all. Write the designation in the address exactly as it is given in the question. Apna dimag nahi lagana hai. Don't change it. Okay. If it is written to the traffic police, then write to the traffic police. Then if it is written to write to municipal corporation of your city, then write municipal corporation. For example, if you are from Pune, okay, if you are a student of Pune, then you will write Pune Municipal Corporation. Students of Hyderabad must write Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, and likewise, okay, depending on the name of the municipal corporation of your city. Keep these things in mind, be aware of these things, okay, and also keep it 3 lines and then leave 1 blank line. Then comes the fourth part of the format, and that is salutation. Write dear sir or dear madam. Most important rule, comma is compulsory. Dear sir, comma, or dear madam, comma. And please don't write sir/madam. Okay. Always pick one. And do not write respected sir or respected madam. No, only dear sir, dear madam, that's it. And then leave 1 blank line. Then we come to the fifth part of the format, and that is the body of the letter. Write in 2 to 3 short paragraphs. Okay, 2 will also be good. You can write 3 also, but always go for the lesser part. जितना कम लिखोगे उतनी कम गलतियां करोगे. ठीक है. Opening line should always mention at why you are writing the letter. Do not begin the sentences with and, because, since. Okay, all these words. No. Include the details. If you are asked to request, write the request, a complaint or suggestion. Then in the closing line, always make a polite request or expected action. See, you will understand it better with an example. I'm going to give it, okay? Don't end the letter suddenly. Use a polite exam style closing. Like, I request you to, okay, kindly take necessary action. I shall be grateful if all these steps are taken, okay? Awaiting a favorable response. And always avoid informal tone in formal letter. Don't write, I wanna tell you these things. Please do it fast. This is not fair. Slang, casual words, big no in a formal letter. You are not writing a letter to your friend. Even if you are writing to a friend, these things must be avoided, okay? You are writing to an officer level person. So you need to be courteous in your language and expression as well. Use polite, formal sentences, okay? Then leave a blank line between the paragraphs. Clear? Now moving on to the sixth part of the format, and that is the closing of the letter, the subscription. So your closing should be exactly like this. Thanking you, and the Y should be in small. Thanking you, yours faithfully, and then your name. Always remember, faithfully F should be written in small letter. And just keep in mind, just one word, faithfully, that is sincerely, dedicatedly, all these things, just एक ही चीज दिमाग में रखो and just write that one in the exam. Don't listen to all the words that you can write. Pick one, write that. That's it. Okay. Then you write your name, and also when you're writing yours faithfully, no apostrophe should be there in yours, because many students make this mistake. Only YOURS. So now we will see a sample letter. So this topic was asked in 2025 board exams. I have taken that only so that you can get an idea of how to write things in the exam, write letter in the exam, and what all things to include in it. Okay. So the question was, there is no bus stop in your locality. Write a letter to the municipal corporation of your town and city complaining about the problem. Offer possible solutions. So first of all, you pay attention that to whom you have to write it. You have to write it to the municipal commissioner of your town and city. As I already said, just keep in mind whom to address. Okay. And what all things are asked in the question? You have to complain about the problem, and then you have to offer possible solutions. So just keep in mind, एक पैराग्राफ में प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस कर देनी है, दूसरे पैराग्राफ में सॉल्यूशंस दे देनी है, एंड यू हैव टू एंड द लेटर. दैट्स इट. Starting with the your address. Okay, write this 3-line address and also include pin code. Then you write the date, then the receiver's address. You are writing this to the municipal commissioner. Suppose if I am a student and I am from Pune, so I'll write here Pune Municipal Corporation, the pin code, and then the salutations will start. Okay. So just as I said, choose one, dear sir or dear madam, no slash, no option. You just have to write, I am a resident of the name where or the address that you have written, and make sure that the address is a realistic one. Don't write just any kind of address. Don't make it up. Okay, nobody is going to reach you down there through your address. Okay, so I wish to draw, so see the way it is written, I wish to draw your attention. Very polite. And what you are drawing your attention to? The lack of proper bus stop in your locality, which is causing serious inconvenience to daily commuters. Please pay attention to the words which I have used here. Daily commuters. I haven't used daily travelers. Okay. These kind of words, it helps in making good impression in front of the examiner. Okay. Then that was the problem which you addressed in the first paragraph. That's it. Now we'll move on to the second paragraph discussing what is the problem. So here I have written, at present passengers have to wait on the roadside, buses stop at random points. Okay. And also this leads to traffic jams, unsafe boarding and alighting. Okay. Not getting on the bus and getting down the bus. Unsafe boarding and alighting, and frequent confusion during peak hours. This is something which we already see in our daily life. I haven't made this up. Okay, you are aware of the problems that is happening around you, right? So you can include these all things in the letter. And since it rains a lot in Pune, so I have written it here that the situation becomes worse during rains, and students, senior citizens and working people are specially affected. Okay, so these are the problems that are faced by the people because of not a good bus stop. First you have to request, and also you have to give proper solution. So here I have written that I request you to kindly arrange for a designated bus stop at a suitable location in our area. And for a better bus stop, what all common sense things, what all things you need for a better bus stop? A covered shed, okay, a visible bus stop signboard, and a proper road markings. All these things would solve the problem. If possible, okay, just you are suggesting, you are not imposing. Yes, put the street like that because it is safe for the pedestrians. No. If possible, very polite, very courteous. Okay, very thoughtful, very demure. So, you have to write, if possible, a street light and a safe pedestrian crossing near the stop would further improve public safety. I haven't used the zebra crossing. A safe pedestrian crossing near the stop and would improve further public safety. That's it. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Beauty Bharadwaj. Okay? And always keep in mind, make sure you write 2 names. Okay? 2 names, that is your name and your title. If your name doesn't have a title, make it and write it. Okay? Rohit Sen, Rahul Malhotra, Arya Mishra, Shweta Vishwakarma. Okay? So as I said, take 15 minutes to write the letter and keep 5 minutes to check everything. What all things you have to check? 3-line address, if written. Oh, good. Blank line after each section. Yes. Date correct and not punctuated. Yes. Receiver's designation copied exactly. Yes. Salutation has comma. Yes. Body in paragraphs. Yes. Thanking you and yours faithfully. Yes. Name written. Both names written properly. Yes. If all are yes, your format marks are absolutely safe and you are good to go. Okay. So that was all about the format of the formal letter. For help and guidance with English literature, then all the videos have been uploaded on my channel. Do check them out. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.